it's a wait for us now. It's filming us now. And then we walk. So if I back off, just follow me. But if I walk forward, and we walk forward now, it'll just keep its distance.
Oh, this looks like a Fab's toy.
It's tracking you.
It should be dancing really. Isn't it all this?
Yeah, just mind the potholes.
It should if I do this now. There you go.
Oh, it's having a little rest.
If we go for
Hover.
hover's just where, well, it just hovers.
Zoom out. 30 feet. Zoom out.
This is where you get your coast shots and so it'll film going out and then it should, and then it'll stop and then it'll film coming back. There it is.
Oh my god, it's too cute. What do you call it? It's got a name, right?
It's a HoverAir X1.
No, but no, you've got a name for
I
it.
just call it Follow Me.
Oh, follow me.
Follow.
I'll be calling it Trevor or something.
And this is the follow, so just go.
Follow.
And it's the same thing with your microphone as well. You
Is it blue? It says Bluetooth, right?
You can put your phone in your pocket.
Yeah.
And it'll and you can speak through your microphone and isolate the fan noise. So
Oh wow. Oh. Chase me. Oh my god, what a cool vlogging tool.
sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
You got to do like some kung fu moves on it, right?
Oh yeah.
Bloody hell.
It didn't realise you were there.
No, it didn't, did it?
It took like a second.
It's got no obstacle.
Oh god, no, I don't want any more accidents.
But I'll send you the footage later on and you can
Yeah,
check
no,
out
send
the,
because I could add it to this, like, so we can see. Right, let's have a look in your van now. I'm filming. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Ooh, van life.
Shock boots now.
It's what?
Shock boots done.
Oh, what needs replacing or something?
Yeah.
Oh, does it?
But the actual, if you look at the shaft on the shocker, it's all gone rusty.
All right.
So they're going to want replacing because that'll eat your seals in the shocker and it'll start leaking.
Should that
Quick
be all the way
fan
down there?
maintenance.
Yeah, it
Oh,
should all be
really?
covered up. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's something I didn't know.
Yeah.
So is it just, oh, that's rotten, is it?
It's gone hard over age because obviously it should do that as it
Oh,
suspension
okay.
goes up.
Oh, right.
It's just gone hard.
So it's still going up and down, but it's just
Yeah, no,
missing.
it'll still work, but at some point that's going to leak.
Oh, no.
Yeah, same this side.
Is
look.
it? Oh,
Yeah.
you know, that's something I'll look into then.
Yeah. How many miles has it done?
127.
Oh, that's not long.
That's not very much.
Okay, so then,
It's the same size as
Have I
your
got any
van.
grab handles?
actually, yeah,
Yep.
I've got a little feel. If you want.
Oh yeah, that'd be good because I've got a funny leg. There we go. Oh, now that works, doesn't it? It's got my little cooker here. Look, that's my little cooker. Oh, look, and how much space there is for making things on and doing things. Look, all of this space to prepare food.
Where's Wally?
Oh, it's so cute.
I think it's just
So
about
cute.
space and storage and being able to move around. And before we had the sink here and we couldn't move, so the sink was about there. So we had to.
Where's the sink now then?
We haven't got a sink now.
Oh, you don't? You're
No,
just taking the sink
What
out.
I've got. This is the.
Oh, is that one of them fridge freezer things?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
So it's an Alpicool, and I can't rave about it enough. Really, it's amazing.
Is this the one, Tim, we were looking at?
Yes.
So it's a fridge and a freezer. Just a fridge.
That's the freezer bit if you want it to be. So you have to.
Right.
It's got like it's a Bluetooth thing going on. But it holds a fair bit.
I love it. So what do you do for like your washing up your plates and
Well,
stuff?
I have
Do you
this.
just a little
now.
bucket?
I've got a collapsible washing bowl. So instead we used to have the sink here, and it didn't have much water anyway. The water was coming from here.
Takes up quite a lot of space,
Yeah.
right?
So we decided just to get rid of the sink. So we got another seating area here. And then if we did want to wash up, then that pops open, and I've got another washing bowl under there as well. And then we fill that up with the water.
But you were saying, Tim, about doing this the other day with something this side.
Yeah.
So this is a medium wheelbase.
It's the same as your van.
Same
it's
as my
exactly the
van.
same size as your van. How much bigger does it feel?
Much bigger.
And the space to sit down and enjoy a glass of wine over there.
Yeah.
That's important.
Well, before we couldn't sit here because the sink was here, so got rid of that, made that into storage. Now, she sits there, I sit down, we can look out a little bit more. But come before she'd be sat on the bed, I'd be sat
Well, this
here.
is what we do because we've got a little gap now in between two seats. So
Yeah, I've said this to her. Oh, you didn't look at the front seats, did you?
No. Oh, actually, I did clock them like, but yeah, with these, look, you can't really get through.
no, that's why we put.
Yeah.
What I say,
a single.
the royal we.
But yeah, it's
And then that's the only place it's set. But that unit that I've got, it's massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I didn't think about.
No, I didn't either. That's good because there's enough prep space here, and it's the fact that you can just sit down and eat. If it's peeing down outside, you can sit inside and eat quite
Yeah.
happily. There's so much more space in
well, you
here.
could
It's-
also get a table as well that clicks up as well. We haven't
Yeah.
done that yet, and so you could both have a little table, I guess, or something.
Yeah, but then half the fun of eating in a van is to maybe eating out of a bowl or something.
Yeah,
anyway,
yeah,
isn't
and
it?
that's all we do.
Just
We
like
just-
a bowl
we-
with
yeah,
pasta or rice or something. No, it's really cool. So what cooker have you got? Because I don't like my cooker.
It's not a cooker. It's just a hob. Oops. So it's just like.
Oh yeah, but that's really nice. Look, because you can actually put a proper thing on there, whereas mine you can't.
So it's just I've just piped
what?
up to there.
Well, they're tiny. So the other day when I was putting like an average size, what do you call it, on there, a frying pan, it kept tipping over.
Right one.
But you can fit a great big thing on that. Look at the size of it.
We've had many breakfasts on there.
So that's,
We just had to make sure to turn the gas
Not
off because I've got
so-
this fear.
yeah, no, always be careful with gas.
So the gas bottle's under there.
The gas bottles here, just got it from B&Q.
So
And just
how
sends it-
much space is going on under here?
So under here we've got the. It's a bit of a waste of space, so I need to put another shelf. But there's the leisure battery there.
That's big, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a
So
beast.
what amp hour is that?
I think that's 240 amp hour.
Right.
Yeah.
Lead acid or lithium?
It's what's it called now? Gel.
Yeah, lead acid.
Yeah. But it's it doesn't work that much really. It just works the lights and the power for your USBs. There's the diesel heater. That's under the seat.
They're a godsend.
Yeah.
I
You've got to
couldn't
have a
believe
you've
when I
got to
put
have-
mine in how
It gets
good
too
it
hot
is.
to be honest.
Yeah, instantly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before you know it, you're in your underwear and you're going. Just open the doors and it's freezing out there. Yeah, well, what about her really? She's going, turn it off. I said, you were cold a minute ago. She goes, yeah, I know. But
Yeah, but now I'm boiling.
it's ridiculous. But yeah, so
There's
it's
plenty of storage space
it's
under
all
there,
about
isn't
storage, really. Yeah. Got yeah.
Right, okay, so Tim, you're going to be very busy now.
And then it goes all the way through there, the storage as well if you want it. There's some clothes and things, and
Oh, well, here we go now, look.
usually put
There's the garage.
see under there, and it's got and there's both sides as well, so you can put your ramps,
Yeah.
which I've used once in 2 years. Your leveling ramps.
Yeah. You don't really need them in a van, do
No,
you?
not really. Someone said, "Yeah, why haven't you got them?" I thought, "I'll buy them then," and I've used them once.
Because I bought steadies to go underneath as well to stop the van moving when you don't need them.
Right.
Just don't need them.
Well, it's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Ian, for showing us your
Thank you very
van.
much.
It's very gorgeous.
But yeah, to me, it's about storage really. And when we're packed up to go away for a week, we're just it's packed to the hilt really. But yeah, got a bit of roof rack going on up there as well, which we never use. That was there when I got it actually.
Oh,
If you
the
don't
roof rack
use it,
is up.
take it off.
Yeah, I was
Because
thinking,
you wouldn't believe how much fuel they use.
really because of the drag.
Because I used to have a Transit Connect van for work that had a roof rack on,
right.
and when I took it off, the amount of extra mileage you got
right,
for
okay.
fuel. There's so much drag in
Yeah,
them. If you're not
okay.
using them, just take them off.
Yeah. So I have to get on the roof. I've got one of them telescopic ladders in the bike because could never
Have you
get on
got
the
solar?
roof. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just give my wipe
Do
now.
you know
again.
what wattage it is?
I think it's 140.
Right.
Yeah. So
And
it's
does
not
that
much.
keep it topped up enough?
Yeah. Seems to do. There's the what do you call it, the control there, and it's always got a smiley face. So as long as it's smiling.
We're happy.
Yeah. And that one there. I think
what's that one?
That's the MPT controller.
Right.
Whatever that means.
Yeah.
Don't know.
So that's just a display for it, is
Yeah,
it?
that's just
Right.
telling you what levels you've got, but that's the actual from the solar feeding in, and then it goes straight to the battery. And I've got the diesel heater plumbed into the tank.
Yeah, that's what I've just done on mine.
And the alternator, so that's constantly doing the battery as well. So they tell me.
Awesome. Right, we've just given Tim a load of jobs to do.